In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on your Clickfunnels sales page. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have a clickable button that opens a WhatsApp chat directly with you or your team. This is a great way to capture leads, answer questions in real time, and increase conversions on your funnel. First, open your sales page inside the Clickfunnels editor. Make sure you're on the specific page and section where you actually want the WhatsApp button to appear, like near your offer, under your pricing, or beside a call to action. Once you're there, hover over the row where you want to place it and click the orange Add Element button. This is how you add new pieces of content to your page. From the list of elements that appears, look for the Form category. Inside that category, choose the regular button element. This gives you a standard, customizable button that will turn into a WhatsApp link. After the button appears on your page, click directly on it to open its settings panel on the side. You'll be using this panel to control everything about how the button looks and behaves. Next, let's configure the button text so it's clear what it does. In the button config section, click Edit. You'll see a field where you can type what you want the button to say. Use something simple and direct, like chat with us on WhatsApp or message us. The key is to make it obvious to visitors that clicking this will start a WhatsApp conversation. Once you're happy with the wording, click Update to save that text. You should now see your new label right on the button in the preview. Now it's time to connect the button to WhatsApp. Scroll down in the settings panel until you find the button action section. This controls what happens when someone clicks. Set the action to Go To. This tells Clickfunnels that the button should take the user to a specific link. Then choose Custom URL as the destination type. In the URL field, you'll enter your WhatsApp link using this format: https://wa.me/ followed by your full phone number with country code, but no plus signs, spaces, or dashes. For example, it might look like https://wa.me/1237890. Replace the numbers with your own WhatsApp number. Save your changes, preview the page, and click the button to test. If everything is set up correctly, it should open WhatsApp and start a chat with the number you entered.